Alright guys, back again. I'm not looking to really trade anything here per se because initial sells right here. Say more so right here, sorry. I didn't really catch these because I wasn't really at the charts when that's happening, but this would have been the initial sells I did catch. Ran to 1.5 so far and I'm aiming for 2 with a break even currently. And this is optimal trade entry. I don't want to really enter this because it just doesn't look that appealing right now, and because it's mainly because we have this buy side above here, and the buy side we just took was more of a just a little punch above. It was a really, like, it was just smooth. Current bias is I'm looking for buys under this London low into this H1 busy shit into this H1 busy right here. I'm just calling my friend, I guess. But yeah, so looking for buys on this London low ideally. I'm also looking for sells as well because of this trend line and this London low. Like if this London low was this smooth and we did have this trend line, then nope, I'm not looking for sells. The sells do look quite decent right now, BRL as well. And yes, we have come into a PD array right here, so we took all the liquidity within this range here. Ideally, I'd probably want this rejection block right here, this RB, not to be traded to yet. I'm only looking at this now though, however. Early on it was just a stupid idea and that's it. But eventually we would take out these highs, definitely. But London low here is just too smooth and we got a H1 busy for buys. My friend. Good. Alright, cool. So, and just here, look, we took the buy side right now, which was these relative equal highs, but it was still just, it just didn't look good when we took it, you can see. So, yeah. The thing is, if it does rush up to this buy side up here, it'll probably take out this high as well and not respect this rejection block up here. But it just really depends on what happens in the open. If we get Juju swing in the open higher, and then we get 60s and etc and everything, and we get internal phantom and good amount of criteria, I would take the sells and try and get it towards this London low if I can, ideally. Because I think we will get a Juju swing. Let's see. Yeah, we definitely will take this out right here. Even though this is a buy program right now, this buy program is it's made this trend line internally and it's made sell side here. Really smooth sell side, that is. Really smooth, and usually the opening price will take that out. If the opening price doesn't take that out, we got 3 PM jolts. That'll definitely want to do something to it. But currently they left the buy side up here, too smooth. So they'll likely want to come for that again, just one more time. I think ideally this order block up here is not bad. Like, forget about this rejection block. I think this order block here is quite good. Let's see. 30 minute, yeah, 30, yeah, it looks quite good here. So I like this order block right here. So I'll choose that as a low resistance speedy array, which is above all of this buy side. And that's why I do like this optimal trade entry, because it just well, yeah, they look that good to me, I'll be real. I got buy side up here, so I don't think this versus D thing will hold. Shit, I was looking at that earlier. There's trend line here, but I just don't like it, to be honest. It's not obvious to me. Not really obvious. I need obvious shit, that's it. I don't want to fall a trap into this and then take all of these dumbass trend lines. This is more obvious, what I'm talking about. Just come away from that 2 minute. Hey, no, we did here. So I don't really want to see anything right now. 225 might make something that would be wrong. Okay, this is a bit obvious now. Yeah, because we've got this trend line here now. This one I'd marked out earlier. This is not really much of one, but there's one better one right here. That'd be one there. Still not as interested in this though, I'll be wrong. The 1 minute and 2 minute are still showing bullish kind of price action, and that 3 minute is showing a consistent bear flag with the 3 minutes is steep, so they might expand it here really hard upwards. Let's see what they do, I guess, because this range here, I don't like it too much. Just doesn't look really ideal, I'll be real, for anything, for buyers or sellers. I need Judah swing, and then I want to oppose that at least. Or like a classic 2022 of some sort, but there's none of that right here. These equal highs here are just so obvious right now. Well, these and the other ones as well. So I likely want to just rush to them. I think rush to them really quick. So let me see on this thing. Okay, and I don't mind. They can leave that trend line there for later. It's fine. See the opening range got up from yesterday. Was it filled? It damn right was. Ooh, gold is looking like it will dump really soon. It's got a bunch of trend line below. Bunch. Same with silver. And essentially, yeah, 5 minute bullish 60 made. Still wouldn't buy this though, I'll be real. Just because of the sell side below as well. And it's important, I'm not trying to be right today, because today is like good amount of bullish bias. Let me just quickly explain that as well, right? Because overnight what we did was we came for Monday's low, came for it early. Now that's good. Finally we're actually finally the Nasdaq is actually coming for Monday's low and high early again. But it came for Monday's low, set Tuesday as current low of the week. Problem is Tuesday low of the week is Asia's low, so they'll likely take this again on Wednesday or NFP or something. I don't trust this as low of the week yet, but they did take Monday's low. That's the main thing. So if they took Monday's low and they expanded it and they made a proper solid buy program, unlike this shitty thing which I made yesterday. This was yesterday. It did not look like a buy program. I knew they would fade this. I didn't know they would fade it here, but I knew they would at least bring it back right here and then, or potentially higher, which they did not. But these still offered buys here. But anyways, they brought it back here, and then pushed it higher and brought it back down. They took this low out. They took Monday's low out right here. Alright, and then they formed an actual proper buy program right here, but stretched out. As you can see, really nicely stretched out candles. That's the type of stuff I like to see. Now we're reaccumulating inside of this busy, and more stretched out candles, more stretched out candles. Exactly what I like to see here. I'm thinking now, let's looking at it like that from a simplistic view. First is D, second is D, and then this was optimal trade entry right here. Hit it beautifully right there, and now it's making it smooth off that. So yeah, likely we will come for these equal highs above. It's the ideal notion right now. But yeah, pretty much. But the thing is, the only problem I don't like is I left these London lows here very smooth. I'm assuming an ES is like that as well. It is. Shit. And then Dow. Did Dow take? Wait, did Dow take? Oh my god, look at this shit on Dow. Okay, so Dow actually took the London low. So there's some T there, but I don't care about Dow too much. Yeah, so Dow actually, but still left it a bit smooth as well, I'd say. Like, kinda, but yeah. But look at the way it's moving up right here in the 1 minute. Does look really ideal, does it? Like, I'd prefer it just to be a quick expansion. Say he did take this though, versus D. He took the 50% right here from the optimal trade entry on the 15 minute. We stop there, then you'd probably go break even right now, yeah. Probably at this suspension block here especially. And hold it here to 2.5, etc. So that's general consensus on here so far. So we'll see what happens, I guess, really. The only thing I don't like right now is that we don't actually got any, from what I can see, bissies here within this London low sell side. Now they'll probably still take it there quickly because the opening price just does it anyways, it does it quick. But usually when this sell side and this sell side here, what I like to see is I like to see a busy within that sell side. And there's not really any here because when there's a busy it makes it really magnetic to it. There's this, but it's already failed, I guess. Yeah, already failed. So yeah, then you usually expect high resistance, kind of like it's doing right now. Okay, this is obvious again, trend line. Preferably I'd wait for 230 though. If we actually look at 2 PM we already had something. 2:45 we got PMI, and 3 PM jolts, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4 FOMCs. This doesn't matter to me anymore because I'll trade on FOMCs, but it's just a word of caution, to be honest, that's all. Really, and I know what they usually do with these now is that they will usually set something big with these yellow FOMCs, like even though they don't mean anything. Usually something that happens with them, like you'll see a big move after all of them or before them or whatever. So yeah. Thinking that, has it just been ranging though? No, it hasn't. I'm just making sure. Low, high, lower, low. Should use that higher. Really nice, stick out to this low right here, and this high up here. And let's zoom out. These lows right here. We got 1 minute, 2 minute alignment there, but just the equal highs above. And they might dump this up here, I don't really give a shit. Yeah, like, look at these, man. Look, what the fuck is that? Look at these wicks up there. That's why I'm not taking this sell, to be honest. But it is obvious that they were gonna, you know, disrupt this trend line here. I just don't like how this sell looks, to be honest. It does not look ideal. These are obvious as well, these doors here. Yep. So whenever a candle opens like this, I had a feeling 30 seconds would look like this, but whenever a candle opens like this, usually the following candle is like gonna follow bearish. And that's what happened here, right there. Let's see if that's temporary, because the reason that is because this is a doubles market, it's cold. The price will actually draw back to these really nicely, like just this opening alone, which we'll probably see there. Yes, there as well, 15 seconds. I think these are your best forms of SIBIs, and they've got the double market inside of them. Got the 3 minute alignment there. Oh damn, look at that. Look at that, I missed out on that. Sheesh, the FOMO is real right now, isn't it? Could have taken it right there. Boom, stops, 2p, 2R. No worries, it is what it is. This type of PI, I'd rather wait for the opening price. Just doesn't look as smooth right now, that's all. So I want to see the opening price clear out one side of the range, and I just aim for the other. That's all really. And with criteria as well, everything else joined up. and that's why I didn't trust those cells. So let's see if I'm wrong. Probably will be. Now sometimes you are going to get the cells at 225, like some good 2R1s, 3R1s or whatever. I don't think so in this case though. It's buy side here now. Very obvious highs. These are super obvious to me. I think they'll just wick above it though. See? Like go wick right next to it. See how shit these cells were. Came with this order block right here. I think 50% of that came into, yep it did. At top. Oh, that's 230 shit. Right, so we did take the equal highs there. I'd prefer to take that buy side above as well. We've got 3-minute alignment for buys. Okay, go on. So the opening range gap is. The opening range gap is below. London low to me now is a good draw with that trend line as well. So I want to see what they do here. They'll probably bring it higher though for now. But London low is indefinite. Let's see. Come there. I think this is first presented from yesterday. So you got first presented there as well. I want to see if they retest that as well for London low. The draw. We got equal lows here, smooth. Currently I feel a bit rush-like, so I don't want to rush into anything right now. Just gonna want to take my time on it, see what it gives, let it come to me, and that's it. Took the buy side, nice. I want to see a puncture above that though, a bit more. Not just that little shit right there. Okay, guess I'm not getting that, am I? Let's see. There's no higher time frame alignment, so I don't want to get in on that. Ideally, if we do get the higher time frame alignment here, then I'm only going for 50% retracement or optimal trade entry. Let's see. Hasn't even hit that with a blockade that above. I guess hit the wick of it, but I'm not really into that. We are approaching that trend line from earlier, 15 minute. Yup, pretty much we are. Got trend line there as well. So ideally I do want to see 50% retracement here. Because we do have a trend line right there. Oh shit.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
That's the wrong bloody order. Okay, no worries. Let me get one more. Right.
Order filled.
Okay, I don't know why I did that. I just gave 3. Shouldn't have done that.
Order filled.
There you go. I did 3 orders. Stupid thing. So 50% retracement there now. So ideally just looking for 260 on this. I did 3 orders and that's some bullshit. I did 2, not 3. Okay, this might be a first tell. Hopefully not. Because we have this trend line there, so I'm entering this. basis of that right there. See if we hold this, I guess. Okay, that's down at 3 micros.
Order filled.
Alright, cool. That's the first loss, no worries. I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute above here. And that means you still have this trend line here, though I'll be wrong. Accelerated buys there. That's stupid. No worries. Actually, wait, that was already stupid, was it? No worries, I'm joking. Alright, 15-minute hit there. Just hit it and give a good reaction off of it. And remove the chart executions. Probably want to see another puncture above that high. Thinking if we get first presented here as well. Let's see if we do anyways. If we had first presented there but with a trend line, that would be ideal to invert. Don't think we'll get it though. Let's see. Yep, nope, we're not getting that. Nope, no first presented there. Okay, we do have a 1-minute alignment there, 2-minute as well, so ST. Ideally I do want to see 50% retracement, yeah. I have equal lows right here as well, LHF.
Order filled.
Okay, ideally I want to see it come here and then break even. And that might be another loss. Probably not. Busies. It's gonna be right here, ideally. Second CISD as well. That CISD alignment on the 1 minute, 2 minute as well.
Order filled.
Go ahead, I don't mind it. Go ahead, break even there. C2, I'll maybe get back in on that.
Order filled.
It's this deal I'm up. Yeah, it's range is chop, I'll be rolling this raw chop. Okay, I'm just realising this now. Because I thought we'd come here just quick, but does it seem like it? Shite. This range is raw chop.
Order filled.
Yeah, this range is raw chop. So equal lows here, that'll be wrong. We got slightly low risk on this, that's it. If given. What did we hit? Right there, we just hit something. Oh, this is a different shot. No first presented either, so I'm going to wait for that first presented ideally. Reacting to that with a block there. Slight 1 minute alignment there as well.
Order filled.
Just one. Okay. Ideally, back to these equal lows on this here, and then break even here. And that trend line and I'm at now as well. $2.45. That 1 minute is steep. Yeah, I say looking good. Unless we get 2 minutes 60, sorry, 1 minute, second 60 right there, because the double mark, yeah, but at least I got a couple of points in that one. Shows the model's still there.
Order filled.
Shit, though. Right, first presented is below. We got bissies as well here, so it's a decent. This was not any bissies, so it's quite a mistake. Right there, but yeah. Really just holding this up all day. Back into first presented yesterday. We also rated that trend line more or less. Ooh. Good thing I was wrong, mate. It's really bullish. This point Monday's high is likely. Still haven't taken that order block. Usually comes close to it, that's a good sign. It should be bearish in a way. Highlight shelf right there, I guess. No HTF alignment though. So got open range gap below and filled out. Yes, Dow, same more or less. Dow's took Monday's high. Yes, took Monday's high. It's got SMT with then Q bearish for Monday's high. Not bad at all. $250 as well. There's no HTF alignment, so allow this. Do have a trend line there, I guess. Do what?
Order filled.
Going on that because the 1 minute is D right there. Low risk though. Come and see invert this SD ideally. Sorry, invert this first presented from yesterday. Rip.
Order filled.
It's like every sell I've taken is perfect buy, man, come on. Okay, taking that high out now. Damn. I was actually quite right today. I just wanted the London lows, man. Shit. It's BS, man. think they'll take down Monday's high anyway, so there's no point adding that buy limit there. So that 1 minute busy.
Order filled.
Let's go up on this high now. Bit late to the party, eh? Oh my god, really? I think they're gonna, as soon as I buy, right? Probably not. I think Monday's high should take a nip, definitely. See about that, mate. Okay, there you go. Equalize here, ideally. Get taken. Second 60 in the 2 minute, I guess. Don't want to overthink it though, because we took this 15-second displacement. Although second 60 would be here, I guess. I think they'll just take it straight there though, 2 minutes high. At this point. Yes, dive over there and a Q as well. Okay, explosive.
Order filled.
3 o'clock hit, okay. Just run down a bit now. Okay, hit him on his high on the dot there. I don't know, it's like 3 PM, they've done that quite controlled there. I don't know if they've done that in a way where they've save that all for 3 p.m. Now we got another bloody trend line above as well, so they might just keep continuing this a bit wrong. See, upper range gap still a bit off, a bit wrong. Need to take this news high out first. 1 minute. Just right here. If they don't though, they could be good for later. Just because of everything that's gone on right here so far. 2 minutes this D there looks quite, 3 minutes or while I'm out, yeah. Will look quite decent. And this as well. Seconds not there yet. Might take this news high out first though. Okay, looks quite decent there on the 2 minute. One minute opening looks nice. 1 minute liquidity there as well.
So if we extend to
Equal lows here. Let's try and get an entry right here.
Order filled.
Yep, it's got equal lows there, so try and get 200 of that. Ideally, I probably would go break even here just because of the overall PA. If it does accelerate to that low, like under it, then I'll go break even. And just accelerate under it like that, thank you. I'll go break even at 1 hour then, or this trend line. It's classic 2022, so I should get a little bounce lower. 1 minute as well. BPR. I'm gonna break even, fuck it. I'd rather get a better entry, that's why if it gives me it. Got trend line there as well, somewhere.
Order filled.
Thank you, NASDAQ. PA is ugly as fuck. Yeah. Got internals to stay in the 1 minute. 2 minute and 3 minute alignment is there.
Order
Really
filled.
intrigues the trend line. and probably we'll just go break even on thingy. That 1 minute kind of is just the alignment there. I'll go break even at the trend line then. Looking for 1 hour, which is that low. Okay, no worries. See, rip. There you go. Ideally that low as well, bro. This is knocked out. Which is the 1 minute to steal armor. 1 minute CB being made there as well. Gonna break even that there. Although I would scale in. Given. Because this is now a good model right here. I'm honestly looking for these equal lows, bro. I'll be real honest. It's not about micro and I don't mind it. Although, 2 okay. Bro, this PA is shit if it comes back to that break even. If it is actually, then it's a good thing. Then you got a really bearish PA. Got equal lows in 1 minute there as well. I'm gonna get out here on 2R because my edge is just 2R anyways. But what I'll do is, if it gives me another entry to get in, I would get in that as well. Should be ideal. Because we are quite bullish there as well, I'll be wrong. Could be optimal trade entry there, I guess, but I'm not into it too much. Just because we're near that low, we're not away from it either, and we don't have a trend line phantom within it. But I do think they would give this definitely, just because of what we've done beforehand already. We've already done the work on buys, so they probably would give this optimal trade entry. See, like really expand back to that first presented right there. There you go. Honestly, come below it though. That'd be ideal. Okay, we've hit an R now. About, I think, the FPG on the 5 minute. Yep. Not ideal for me, but looks good on the 1 minute. Those wicks. Lows there. Get rid of this, it's gonna piss me off. Original entry on there was not bad, eh? see a minor expansion below these lows. I want to see if that continues. $3.11. See what they do to this 2-minute civvy. Really? They fill that in fully on there at the 2-minute. Come back under that low, right? I'm gonna go up, I'm gonna stop above that second SysD being made. Depending on the speed around here, around this opening price and this, then probably speed and context. I'm gonna stop above that. Because I think that was the last line of defense to just hit right there, especially 2-minute BPR as well. 3-minute alignment, I just saw that. Nice. That means that this does hit take profit. I'll probably look for the optimal trade entry as well, towards these equal lows right here. Do look like an MMSM, but just don't want to get too hyped up on it. Okay, got trend line there now. Be ideal, would be ideal. Okay. How much is that? It's locked in box. Let it expand higher, then go on. If you want to expand higher, don't give a shit. Please don't expand lower. Please don't. 100% by all means, do not expand lower. Do not. Do not even think of coming lower. Do not do that, please. Do not make fake moves going higher and then come lower. Don't. I'm trying to reverse psychology of the market. Do not disrespect. Sorry, do not disrespect that CB that you're in right now. the fuck out of it, please. I like the bodies. The George doesn't mean shit half the time. Okay, there's a 2-minute alignment there. I need to see this come back to its opening, please. Might do anything. Terminal respected again. Got equal loads right there. Five minutes ST coming in, I guess. But it just looks ugly a bit wrong, to be honest. Yep, really ugly. Let's respect that one more time. Sorry, unless we disrespect this, disrespect the fuck out of it. You know what I'm saying? As we disrespect it and leave those equal lows below, man. Forget about those equal lows, don't even exist, right? These equal lows don't even exist. None of them exist. Da, 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 da. Shit, that's gonna hit. I know it is.
Order filled.
Damn. Wow. That PA let me have shit today, I'll be wrong. Still have equal loads here, I'll be wrong. Lots of equal loads there. Dow is still bearish, that's some bullshit, isn't it? And it actually came lower. In Q and ES coming higher. ES didn't come as high. And K should be a bastard as usual. Yeah, maybe I'll come for news high first and then CA move lower. Data high. It's the likely scenario here. I think I'll trust another micro, yeah. News high, back to my news high.
Order filled.
Okay. Not much, but some in. See, right, yeah, what it does. I'll click on break even there.
Order filled.
I don't like that. I like the each sells much better. I'll be wrong. A lot more better. Gotta be sure of me, man. This PA. Duty break even this low. Whoa, this wiki ass range. Good lows here. Depending on speed, I'll hold this till 2R, I guess, but honestly, from the way it looks, it's just, I don't think we'll get it 200 or whatever. Just depends on speed, really. Lower that is. Oh my god. Oh wow, that's shit. So I was right, then I was wrong, then I was right, then I was wrong. Wow.
Order filled.
Smell, to be honest, it smells like shit. Duty this high. Break even it. Really get a second 60 here, optimal trade entry. Yep. Defo. Bit choppy, but I think we'll get Monday's high again. And that news high. I can really invert this. Good trend line there as well. Oh wow, this PA is garbage. Yeah, why am I even trading this? I'm thinking to myself now. Okay. Trend line there as well. Need it to come above. There you go. Bit more, but yeah. %. Here the second 60. Okay. I'll break him there to slay a ride. Hopefully it lets a ride anyways, because this is some shit PA. I don't really see this going anywhere. An open range gap maybe. Some fucking stops me first. Which probably will do. That's where I see it going. Jeez, I don't know none of this. This don't look good, bro. For fucking. Yep. Technically, it's not on a block here, but it's just taking the piss right now. I bet yes, it's already done its top shit. Dies finally reversing, I guess. Suspension there as well. Will this PA even let me have 2 on today? This is how November's PA was, I remember. Just like this. Every fucking day. Just go on, die, will you little shitbag.
Order filled.
I bet 345 usually makes something then. It doesn't make it, that's why. At least I've learned anyways. I do want to recover this last year. Of course I do. What was it yesterday? Was it 3 FOMCs as well yesterday or something? No, it was just Fed chair. I'm starting to think now, if you got FOMCs, the best session to wait for is 345, because I have a feeling 345 would be quite decent. Because I didn't even take these equal lows, so fuck that. It's bullshit upwards. So we'll put it in a bit now. Yeah, go on. Expand, will ya? Piece of shit. There you go. Could get a sell-off now, B-roll. Right now it's like likely we should get a B-roll. Get 2 minute line with here, then I probably would. I need something inverted as well. Which could be not really anything here. Not really anything on here yet. Got the news highs now as well. Got a low trend line here as well, equal lows, everything. I've hit that area. If we keep this CB here, then this would be an ideal entry. Oh well, look at that.
Order filled.
Okay. Go break him there. Just because I don't want to see it come back above now. Equal lows right there. I'm not being greedy, I'm just gonna see 117 for 2 hours. That gun. 117 times by 2 is 234. Roughly, yeah, this low. In a perfect world, I'll just go down from there. Perfect world. I wish. Take that low out, please. What is it there? See, I'm not so happy with that, bro. See it, couple of those lows, come on. Looking at this low now, I probably will try and stop at this high. Equal lows. Just when I was going jolly, eh? Look at that, came so close to tourist road. However, if this is a fake kind of systy, then that'd be really good for this optimal trade entry for equal lows right here. You have equal lows there as well. This would be easy to get. We have this trend line kind of here as well. Type shit. I like the 2 minute. I like the 1 minute as well now. Alright, cool. close like that, just like that. Check the 2 minute. Okay, so someone else is in shorts as well. Seconds, and if it closes like that, I can see big expansion coming, massive B-roll. Because I know what that is, an open candle, open inside candle, there you go. Close like that, I'm going to leave it, let it do its thing now. Equal over here as well. There it is. It's an open candle, so it's going to expand really quickly, super quick. It's 200, I guess, 209. It's going to be 200 over, come on.
Order
Right.
filled.
So this PA is so shit. Okay, so we do have an optimal trade entry, I guess, there as well. Not there. Okay, look at that, what effect TP, how lovely is that? The edge is still there, my friend. The edge is still there. So in the 1 minute we have a optimal trade entry. I would probably take us all. I'm going to take that low now. Okay, they're quick with it now, look at that. 345 in a bit as well, so I'm likely going to take this OT. It gives it is quite a good OT, quite a good second 60 as well, because I like this 2 minute inside candle. Although I don't think they'll retrace back up that much, I'll be wrong. Seems like that motherfucker Tyler got the same trade as me. He's holding it. Honestly, that's so new. Not new, sorry. I'm thinking now, because I've had the FOMC rule before, the 4 FOMCs, but honestly, if I get that again, 330 to 350 is the best macro to trade around that, because it's always manipulation around 2 p.m, 3 p.m. on that one. So yeah. Jeez, this thing's bearish as fuck, isn't it? Now it is, eh? Now it is. Crazy. Yeah, this thing looks like it's gonna drop now. Fuck me. Wow. I'll be comfortable missing out on that though. Minus 175 loss mitigation. If it takes out, I guess if it comes all the way lower to the trend line below, then I don't think I'd be interested in this anymore. As well as the yeah, pretty much if it comes to the sell side and all that other shit, I don't see this as an interest anymore. I'll be wrong. $15-minute alignment was made there as well. So 10-minute BC currently. This is what I meant right here. Look, now we've got a 10-minute BC with sell side, so it makes it more ideal. But I was chasing all of this shit up here with sells where there was no higher time frame BC opposing it. So I made it really terrible for ourselves. Checking. Okay, I'm gonna see on this. I'm gonna go break even quick on this OT likely. Yeah. Actually, I think I hit it there. Yeah, hit it there. And I guess. I'm thinking that was it right there. Kind of missed down that one. No worries. If it comes here, then I'm allow that. Probably with another model if it's given, not given, I don't know. If it comes there, okay, good day. I'm gonna wait for another model on this then. No worries. It's 3060 right there. I think if we just invert this area, there we are. Again, it's not good enough because that's not inverted yet. Can't tell us if only once there. Ah, there it is. Wow, you're kidding me. 5 minutes then. 5 minutes invert on that one. Assuming in the 15-second did that type shit. 350 now. So I think I'm gonna get that FOMO kind of day today. Yeah, all good, I guess, all good. Oh, that's 30 seconds, that is. Back to first presented. Interesting. Sheesh. Definitely missed out on those. Wow. Wow. Unless you can get this right, yeah, I like this leg, but because it's basically 5 minute inversion model here, and yep. That's not retracing, mate. Finally, low resistance. Kidding me, mate? Come on. That's ugly. Good, good, ugly. Let's see. Oh yeah. I might just retest that. First presented every roll. Jesus, crazy, look at that. the retracement first presented. This would be a classic 2024 first presented entry. Right there. I do still think those buys will come, like on the low, so I will wait for those if it's given as well, honestly speaking, but yeah. I like how I managed risk earlier though. I didn't really go in too much on the risk, to be real. I could have, but I did up. And I left it at 2 hours as well, not like 3 or some shit. Even though I could have held this for like a lot more. That's pretty good. Yeah, I don't think it's going to give me that retracement, to be honest. I'm going to get a new opening candle in a bit. Now, I did take quite a lot of trades today, I know, but maybe because this, and I knew that we would get. I was a bit more stronger on the bias today. I'm going to go lower eventually. It's not something I'm looking to always do, I guess. Jeez, Tyler's got a good trade right now. Lucky bastard. Yeah, he actually waited through all that shit as well. There you go, it's it. There's my alpha retracement. The M30. Still in premium market. Jeez, this is literally what I wanted today, man. No worries, I still caught the sell, but it's just I didn't hold it, I'll be real. More of a loss mitigation, I guess. Yeah. If I had the intention of holding it to target, bro, this R would have been good. There you go, it's open range gap hit. I think if they don't take this, I think we'll get a really good sell to it, likely. Yeah, good retracement is what I'm saying, looking for as well. Ideally back here, this gap up here seems quite nice. Which is also first presented. But I don't know, I don't think they'll retrace it all the way back up there. What did they even hit, man? Oh, they didn't even bring it to the open range gap low. That's kind of dumb. The one from Friday, they're literally leaving that for another day then. It's just Monday's high, go lower. The initial sell was actually right on. Recording this. No idea. Yeah, Bitcoin sold off as well. Gold should be selling off soon, but let's see. That's a really clean sell, I'll be real. It's the way it's selling off right now. So much LR. I want to see how it reacts in this inversion up here in M15. Get a model in that, or slash the M3. I don't think it'll come to the M3, but that M15 inversion. I want to see what it is in the how it reacts. And yeah, and it's still a trend line here. The M15 right there. Trend line-ish, but yeah. Okay, it's inside of the M15 now. Not inside of it, just came just away from it actually, it's not inside of it. What is that? Why does it do that? Gimmick shadows or whatever on this. It's no longer shadows. No, it's shadows, look at that. Still with shadowy, I think. Yeah, look there. Why the shadows? No reason. That's the M15 hit. M15 hit, but I want to see how it reacts to the thingy as well. Yeah, if it comes up here, that is. Fire, mate. Took these equal lows, I guess. See the M15 on this. Do that there. Can't see no trend line here, I'll be wrong. That's first presented there. equal lows here, but it's not enough. No equal lows here. So I might call it sharp if it's might close sharp if this just rushes through that, to be honest. Yeah, fuck you. See, close below it as well. Close above it, sorry. I'll call it sharp. The reason I'm kind of thinking still going on this, and even though it's after like a couple of losses and wins, it's also because of this. Look at this thing. This MLL bullshit right here. And I would still be doing this if I was winning as well. Say I had a win streak, I'd still be trying to get more of it, because this MLL, if it increases in the day to 2,500, then you got more MLL, but it doesn't reset. That's the thing I hear about Top Step and this fundage, is this MLL does not reset at all. So it's better to do what you can in the day than to do what you can in the weeks to months, essentially. Yeah. Kind of getting something here, but there's no trend line, so it's not ideal. Be real. Three minute, 2 minute looks kind of decent as well. That's not really a trend line, mate. Not really anything. Ideally I want it to close above that, then if it does that I'm out. Close there, please. Close above constant encouragement. Yeah, this doesn't look like sells either. Maybe in the 5 minute, but maybe the 5 minute for like a final one. Lower, but yeah. Yet to reach the 5 minute 50% displacement, retracement. I guess we could have held that win, recovered the loss and made a bit of profit, but man, just wanted to follow the edge, that's it, really. So it was a bit of a choppy day at B-roll today. I think what I'll take note of us today is that this shit right here is that when we have these FOMCs, I've seen that a lot of times the 230 is shit, the 250 is shit, the 3 PM is also quite shit, but 330ish is not bad when we have these FOMCs. I think I've journaled that before as well. I think I've had that in the past before where thingy on 4 FOMCs don't trade the equity open or 12 PM, but the silver bullet at 330 to 350, that's an ideal time, these things right here. Because I did this yesterday as well, where 350 was really good on fetch it, even though the buys hit TP yesterday. the Fed shAould, the kind of post that was actually quite decent. But today was more of a loss mitigation kind of day, I'll be rolling. You can see, I think we took a decent amount of trades, but yeah, it was more of a loss mitigation day. I'm hoping that tomorrow we can get a nice win, and then Thursday as well. And then pretty much, yeah. But on these other combines, sitting at -175, which is fine, wherever I'm at. So long as keep it consistent with the model, it should be fine. Let's see though. Yeah, so that's all from me today, I guess. Till next time, be safe.